Assalamu alaikum friends, hello everyone. Once again, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be may Almighty. Keep you happy, keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy like this. Amin. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing crochet, stylish handbags, designs, ideas, collection, beautiful patterns, beautiful designs, very amazing, colorful crochet, stylish handbag designs, ideas, collection for women's and girls collection. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first and also make sure to follow. Be sure to follow, press